Director of Sales here for Gigaphoton USA. On behalf of my colleagues, I want to welcome you to the grand opening of our consolidated U.S. headquarters and training center. Let me review today's agenda, please. Following the ceremony, we'll be making a brief tour of the building with lunch provided afterwards in the conference room behind me to my rear. And as you leave, please stop by the reception desk where you checked in for a small token of our appreciation for your coming here today. Gigaphoton USA is a subsidiary of Gigaphoton Incorporated of Oyama, Japan. Gigaphoton was founded in the year 2000 as a joint venture of Komatsu Limited and Ushio Inc. In fact, Ushio has a local facility here in Newburgh. Effective May of last year, it is now a wholly owned subsidiary of Komatsu Limited. Gigaphoton develops and delivers deep UV laser light sources used at major semiconductor manufacturers worldwide. Today, Gigaphoton's technology leads the Pan-Asian deep UV laser market and continues to expand throughout the U.S. and European regions. In fact, most of the semiconductor chips in your home and the office that you use today were touched by at least one of our lasers somewhere in the manufacturing process. Our first speaker is Mr. Ichiro Ivan Kimijima, President and CEO of Gigaphoton USA. Ivan.
It is a great honor for me to welcome you all here today for this new grand opening of the new Gigaphoton USA headquarters and the training center. I'm especially honored and humbled to welcome the Mayor of the City of Riverton, Honorable and distinguished guests from our customers, business partners, local communities, and our stakeholders. I'd like to take this opportunity to give an outline of a GPU operation. Gigaphoton USA, GPU, was established in January 2008 as the first overseas subsidiary of Gigaphoton Inc., GPI, in Japan, for the customer support and then marketing sales of XMA laser used for the lithography tools in the manufacturing of the semiconductor equipment in the United States. And then in the our management principles, we have three basic management principles here at the GPU. The first to be a win-win situations with our end-using customers, to build win-win situation, relationship with our customers. And the second, we should be respected as U.S. corporation, U.S. company. And thirdly, this is one of the most important principles, is to do business here as as understanding the importance of our employees and then their families. So those three basic principles in our mind, we are striving and making efforts on a daily basis. Let's see. Talking about in regards to the operational result of a GPU, it's been a very challenging and then interesting year for the company externally as well as internally. Each year has its own difficult challenges. For the first 2 years, fiscal year 2008 and 2009, unfortunately, we could not make money, not make a profit. However, the increase of our sales of the lasers and support of the GPU operations, we did increase that 60% from the 2009 to 2010. And another 60% up from the 2010 to 2011. So that I'm now sure, I'm now confident that we are now forecasting sales, fiscal year 2011 sales 5 times more than the fiscal year 2008, the year the company was established. And then talking about market shares, it's been running steadily between the 35 and 40%. So with that, we are increasing the number of installed radars for our customers in the United States. So anyway, those results, and then and also we established in correlation to the expansion of our businesses with our U.S. customers, we established U.S. Technical Support Center in Austin, Texas in December 2010. So we are with those records and then achievements, we have something we can be proud of. And now I'd like to talk about touch on the for forthcoming years. However, the current situation is not so easy, and then expecting some slowing down. We have a very positive forecast for coming several years, 3 to 10 years. So, in that regard, our parent company is pursuing the development of the EUV and EUV light sources. And also recently they established global operations, their own subsidiary overseas operations in Europe, Korea, and Taiwan. So at our GPU here, this is new our head office and storage center is our commitment to the U.S. customers. So to further solidify our commitment to our U.S. customers. We at the GPU, in closing, we at the GPU would like to express our appreciation for the opportunity to contribute to the success of our U.S. customers, business partners, and the local communities and stakeholders. And then we continually ask ourselves what we can do to your operational success ever so much forever. In this regard, I'd like to ask for and then greatly appreciate for your support and the guidance for mutual prosperity. With that, thank you very much, and please enjoy yourself for today's grand opening. Thank you very much.
Our next speaker will be Dr. Yuji Watanabe, President and CEO of Gigaphoton Incorporated. And Dr. Watanabe is one of the founding employees, one of the founding group of Gigaphoton back in the year 2000. Dr. Watanabe.
Mr. Doyle, Mayor of Ibadan, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the opening ceremony of GPU Gigaphoton USA. From the viewpoint of GPI headquarters, this GPU has two functions. One is as the front line of sales activities in the U.S. market, and second is as a technical service provider for all the installed light sources at many U.S. customer sites. Gigaphoton has similar subsidiaries and reps in Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, Europe, and Israel, as Ida said. However, this GPU has another important function in the Gigaphoton group. 80% of Gigaphoton sales come from outside of Japan. From this reason, we are truly a global company, and GPU is one of our key contributors. The U.S. continues to be at the heart of the semiconductor industry. Many of our most advanced customers in the world are here in the U.S. Notably, Intel Corporation right here in Oregon. I hope from this beautiful new facility, Gigaphoton can continue to provide unrivaled technologies, products, and service to not only the U.S. market, but the global market as well. So I thank you again for your efforts and the support of GPU always. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Our featured speaker will be Mayor Dennis Doyle of the City of Beaverton.
Thank you very much. Good morning. I think it's still morning. And appreciate the opportunity to talk just a little bit. It won't be the long-winded political speech. We're talking about something that's really near and dear to my heart, jobs in Beaverton, jobs in our region. And I'd like to officially welcome Mr. Onami or Dr. Reddick for your visit here from Japan. He doesn't look too jet-lagged, does he? So it's just really special that you took the time to come here. Having traveled to Japan occasionally over my life, my daughter did an exchange program with Sister Cindy there. You have a beautiful, beautiful country. And we were right there when you had the earthquake and so on and so forth, our Rotary Club and others. So our thoughts are always there for your countrymen back home. And I also like to recognize Mr. Kojima, President, CEO, pioneer in Beaverton, Oregon. Thank you very much. It's been fun to meet you a little bit. Research on what the company does. My first line of code is computer at an IBM 360 Model 20, 4,096. Think about that. The cigarette lighter in the car.
That dates the first
cool. And it was just a lot of fun getting into the industry. So, but you've heard a little bit of the strong growth of Gigatron and a transition to a new U.S. headquarters right here. This means you're doing it. It's working. And we're very, very happy that you're here. I can't wait to see the rest of the facility. It's just, and I love your 3 points of how business should function. That's a way we can all live and grow with. So, and I can tell you from the city staff, from the people who live here and go to school here and go to the Park District, we thank you so much for staying here. And I think that speaks volumes of what our quality of life is, what makes it a very special place to live and grow up. And I think your employees will be very happy here. Hopefully you're going to double in size this year, okay? And I want to thank the Beaverton staff for helping through the expansion. It's never easy. Didn't get any complaints, so it must have gone well. Our inspectors were polite, and our business development team is here. To just share a story, what the city of Beaverton is now doing for businesses. There's another operation around the corner here. I met with their CEO last year and he told me what they were trying to do at the federal level. Well, we have federal advocates, code word for lobbyists. That you can see the city's never had that. We helped to secure a $5.5 million contract with the government. So the city is here to serve you. That's what we are here for. No other reason except to make you successful and let you grow your business and take care of your employees. So again, welcome, re-welcome to Beaverton. Thank you so much.
Please be joined by Mr. Kawasaki, Mr. Harris, Dr. Watanabe. Tomorrow.